Fitness band. A lot has changed since we did the previous fitness band video. We have the Honor Band 5, Mi Band 4 and few other smaller players in the market. So now that we are not gonna have any major fitness band release, at least a year from now, the question has to be asked, which is the best fitness tracker out there? And well, like always, in this video, we are gonna review some of the best budget fitness tracker, starting with Noise Color Fit 2, Galaxy Fit E, Mi Band 4, Honor Band 5, and just to push the limit, Galaxy Fit. So the first one in our list is Noise Color Fit 2. The design reminds me of Fitbit Charge 2 and I kind of like it. You can also remove the capsule and charge it directly. So you don't have to carry extra cables whenever you are on the go. Other than that, it's a pretty standard band with color screen, heart rate monitor, sleep tracking, activity reminders and all that stuff. Although there is one feature that separates it with the others, menstrual tracking for women, which can keep track of periods and give you a heads up when the next cycle begins. It's kind of like the newly released feature on Apple Watch. For obvious reasons, I wasn't able to test the accuracy of this feature. Other than that, this fitness band is quite basic. In fact, my biggest complaint here is the lack of touch screen. Yes, the entire screen is not touch. The competition has gone way ahead in this area. Also, the till to wake up is quite slow compared to Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 5. Next up, we have the newly released and the cheaper version of Galaxy Fit, the Galaxy Fit E. Now, both of them look kind of similar, but the Fit E comes without the color screen, wireless charging and quick reply. We will come back to that later on. Now, once you look at the display and its functionality, you will realize that it's quite behind the competition. For instance, there is no swipe gesture, so you will have to tap to move on to the next screen. Another thing that I didn't like is that you cannot launch activities from within the band, just like you can do it with Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 5. However, you do get automatic workout detection, which is missing in the other bands. But then again, it's not that reliable. Like, I started walking from my metro to the office and it got triggered when I almost reached the office. Another problem that I face is with the battery. While the competition such as Mi Band 4 and Honor Band 5 can easily pull 2 to 3 weeks of battery life, this Fit E can barely last a week, which makes little sense since it doesn't have a colored screen or any other extra feature. And about the accuracy and sleep tracking, well, hold on. We will talk about it in a bit. But in general, we don't find any reason to recommend this Galaxy Fit E. So, the Mi Band 4. Well, we have covered it extensively in past couple of our videos. Here's a tips and tricks one and the review. Go check it out if you haven't already after watching this video. But in general, Mi Band 4 is one of the best fitness tracker out there at the moment and I can recommend it to most people. I mean, the display has improved a lot over the previous generation and you can also set up custom watch faces. The tracking is also better than the previous generation. You can launch more activities, even have swim supports, which is usually not available even in the expensive fitness tracker. And the integration with third-party applications like Gadget Bridge, camera control, Sleep as Android, and even the custom watch faces, well, this is just superb. Alternatively, you can also take a look at Amazfit Bip or Bip Lite. We don't really recommend the Bip Lite. However, the Bip offers somewhat similar features as Mi Band 4 but on a larger display, which really helps during the workout. Now, we have both the Chinese and the Indian variant of the Honor Band 5. Both of them are pretty much same, except the VO2 Max feature in the Chinese variant. I was excited to try it out, but when I got it, well, it's just meh. You have to manually check your VO2 Max, and it would have been awesome if this was a part of your activity statistics. So, how does the Honor Band 5 compares with Mi Band 4? Well, for the most part, Mi Band 4 has more features like custom watch faces, third-party application support and all that stuff. However, Honor Band 5 has still better tracking. Here's a rundown of the steps counter for all the fitness band, and as you can see, Honor Band 5 is the most accurate in this list. Also, if you are into sleep tracking, Honor Band 5 definitely has an edge over Mi Band 4. Here's how all the bands stack up in the sleep tracking department. And finally, the Galaxy Fit. It pretty much has all the features that other fitness band has. So in this video, I will only be talking about the exclusive ones. So the number one is definitely quality. It's quite popular in the West and costs almost 4 times the price of average fitness band in India. The first thing I notice is the display. It's bright and sharp. Samsung just nailed the display. Obviously, when you're paying premium, unlike the Galaxy Fit E. And it's not just the display, the capsule is also metallic and looks really good. There's also a home button on the side, just like you get in premium smartwatches. The strap is same as Galaxy Fit E, which is quite cheap in my opinion. And then we have the charger. Yes, there's wireless charging, which is kind of cool. Second thing that separates it from other fitness band is automatic activity tracking. Yes, unlike the other fitness band, there are a lot of inbuilt activities on this fitness band. And it also supports automatic activity tracking. So if you're working out or playing any sport like table tennis, it will automatically start tracking your activity, just like premium smartwatches. And finally, my favorite feature, reply to notification. None of the fitness band that we have tested has this feature. Even the premium ones like Garmin and Fitbit. You can not only see notification but also reply to it directly from your fitness band. And the presets are customizable from your phone. So finally, which one should you buy? Well, it's really hard to recommend this Galaxy Fit E. It doesn't do anything special. On the other hand, this Color Fit 2 does add some value when it comes to menstrual cycle tracking for women. In short, the competition is really between the Honor Band 5 and Mi Band 4. I will recommend the Mi Band 4 for third-party app integration and the better display. However, if accuracy is more important to you, then go with Honor Band 5. Same is the case with this Galaxy Fit. Although I love features like reply to notification, automatic activity tracking and overall better display, it's just too expensive for these features. That being said, we will cover Fitbit and Garmin smartwatches in our next update, so keep an eye for that. Also, let me know which is your favorite fitness tracker in the comment section below. As of for this video, we recommend the Mi Band 4. Yeah, Mi Band 4 it is. So, thank you for watching. It's Manal signing off. Catch you guys later.